Hello! Welcome back to my channel. Okay, this is the objective of our topic for today. You have to match pictures with correct sight words. Oh, wait! Videos that will help you learn. Subscribe. Thank you. Right, let's begin. So take a look at the following pictures and its sight words. We have, what is this picture? Oh, it's give. Say give. Okay. What is this? They are draw. Say draw. Okay, good. Another picture. What is this? Bread. Say bread. That's correct. Next. Stop. Say the word stop. Okay, correct. Oh, the picture. He's raising his hand. What is that? Ask. Say ask. Correct. That's good. Okay, from what you have seen from those pictures and sight words, I have a question to you. What can you say about the sight words? Okay, when we say sight words, so these words must be memorized, understood, and read as a whole. Because of their high frequency, readers need to recognize, read, and understand them almost immediately upon seeing them. Okay? Okay, to better understand our lesson, let's have a task 1. You're going to write the correct sight words that match the pictures. Choose your answer inside here. Busy, care, walk, air, eat. And these are the pictures. Okay. Let's have number 1. What is the meaning of this picture? Okay, let's write C. Next, number 2 picture. What is this? Oh, it's care. You get it? Okay. Let's write the word care. Okay, good. Next, number 3. What is this? What are they doing? Oh, walk. Correct. Let's write the word walk. Alright, number 4. What is this? Okay, it's ear. Ear. Here we go. Number 5. We have it. Okay. Okay, that's it. We have busy, care, walk, ear, eat. Okay, for more learnings, let's have task number 2. For each number, mark with a check if the picture matches the sight word and mark with a cross if the picture and sight word do not match. Picture number 1, 2, 3,
4, and 5. For picture number 1, is this a cake? Okay, is it a cake? Yes, check. Number 2, is it a chair? Yes, it is. Number 3, a cross. Is the picture match the sight word? So it's cross. How about house? Is this picture a house? Yes. Number 5, carry. Is the picture match the sight word? Okay, you got it. Very good.
Alright, let's have sets of these sight words. Let's have a tune for this. Air also above, answer behind, bread bright by busy. Care, coat, carry, clean, dark, dear, dust down. Hand it, ear, eye, its face, you find, follow. And let's read it in a regular voice. Ear, also, above, answer, behind, bread, bright, by, busy. Cake, care, coat, carry, clean, dark, dear, dust, done. And it, ear, eye, itch, face, few, find, follow. Let's have another set. Set 4, set 5, set 6. Game, grew, gun, glad, great, hall, heavy, household. Lady, large, late, later, learn, listen, mouth, minute, mountain. People, question, round, sign, table, upon, useful, year, world. Okay, let's read this in a regular voice. Game, grew, gone, glad, great, hall, heavy, house, hope. Lady, large, late, later, learn, listen, mouth, minute, mountain. People, question, round, sign, table, upon, useful, year, world. Alright, let's go to learning task 3. Match the pictures with the correct sight words. We have mountain, fly, table, round, clean. Let's match with the pictures. Okay. Where is mountain? Where is mountain? It's here. How about the fly? Fly. Table. Table. Round. Clean. Okay, good. Let's go to learning task 4. Match the picture with its correct sight word. Okay, these are the words. These are the sight words. And we have pictures here below. Okay, and let's match. Where is the eyes? I think it's here. About read. Read. Think. Think. Lunch. Okay, and the girl. Oh, it's very far there. Okay, that's good. Hope you already understand our lesson about sight words. Let's have a reflection by completing the paragraph by selecting your answers from the given choices here. Okay? So, fill in the blanks. Blank must be blank, blank, and read as a whole. Okay, let's write the word sight. Sight words. Okay. Are you writing with me? Okay, that's good. Sight words must be what? Memorized. Right. So let's have here the word memorized. Okay. Good. How about here? So last one is understood. 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 Okay, let's read it again. Sight words must be memorized, understood, and read as a whole. Okay. Did you get it? Well, it's very good. Okay. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please share to your friends, classmates, and also subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.